Here, things are different.
Lapho izinto azifani.
Hier werk dinge anders.
Mo re dira dilo ka go fapana.
Dieregesondheid is nie net 'n beroep nie, dis 'n roeping.
It's a serious science.
You don't get a second chance with animal health.
Dis hier waar wetenskap en realiteit bymekaar kom.
As dit werk in die veld, dan werk dit.
If you can trust it here, you can trust it anywhere.
As iets vir jou omstandighede gemaak is, sien jy dit vinnig.
Kumele kusebenzwe lapha.
Healthy animals mean everything to us.
Dis van hier, vir hier en verder.
Diseases don't respect borders. It's a global industry of global importance.
From startup in 1994 to more than 45 million vaccine doses produced annually, every batch tested against strict international standards, an expanding international distribution and logistics network across Africa and beyond.
Ons bou op dit wat voor ons gekom het en hier bou ons nou verder.
Dit begin by jou mense. Kyk na jou mense en hulle kyk anders na dinge.
Ons begin elke dag saam.
Here we all have a purpose.
Saam is 'n span sterker.
Ons het elkeen 'n rol om te speel.
Monana, ke mo hae, ke holetse mo ke na le dilemo tse 30 ke sebetsa mo.
Ons het 'n verantwoordelikheid teenoor die bedryf.
If we don't add value, we're not doing our job.
Dit gaan oor konsekwente resultate.
Ons bou aan die toekoms van dieregesondheid.
We don't only work with products, we work with people and with animals.
It's about the right people, the right attitude, the resilience to keep trying, the will to succeed, to be part of the solution. Design Biologics.